Welcome. First question, what is VHP, that is vaporized hydrogen peroxide decontamination, and its principle of action? VHP decontamination is a process utilizing vaporized hydrogen peroxide to eliminate microorganisms and contaminants from surfaces and environments. It works by oxidizing cellular components of microorganisms, disrupting their function and ultimately killing them. What are the advantages of using hydrogen peroxide? Here are the few key advantages of using hydrogen peroxide. It includes rapid decontamination at ambient temperature and low concentrations, strong history of use and efficacy data, and this process can be easily validated with biological indicators. Additional benefits or advantages are no residues after the decontamination cycle, strong material and component compatibility profile. What are the chemical byproducts of VHP, that is vaporized hydrogen peroxide? On vaporization process, 35% hydrogen peroxide liquid, that is Vaprox, gets converted into 2 molecules of H2O2. It is responsible for killing all microbes at low concentration and including sporocidal activity. The chemical entities that are formed from 2 molecules of H2O2 are water and oxygen, and both are non-toxic residues. This one is very important question. Question is, what are the different phases of VHP decontamination cycle? There are 5 different phases of VHP decontamination cycle. First phase is conditioning. Introduction of VHP vapors is done to achieve the desired concentration in this phase. Second phase is exposure. Here we maintain the required VHP concentration for specified duration. Third phase is dwell time. Here we allow additional time for VHP to penetrate and decontaminate hard to reach areas. Fourth step is aeration. Here we remove the residual VHP and VHP decontamination cycle byproducts from the environment. Fifth, last and important step is verification. Here testing of the environment is done for VHP residuals and microbial presence to confirm successful decontamination cycle. With which concentration we can get 6 log reduction with VHP decontamination cycle? As per EPA label short contact times, 6 log reduction can be achieved in 30 to 90 minutes at 250 to 400 ppm concentration. What is procedure for generation of vaporized hydrogen peroxide and how it acts? 30 to 35% liquid hydrogen peroxide is heated up to 110 degrees Celsius, which leads to evaporating the hydrogen peroxide and water before getting introduced into the chamber. In the chamber, temperature is nominal, that is approximately 25 degrees Celsius. This hydrogen peroxide makes very thin layer on the exposed surfaces in the chamber and resulting in decontamination. For which equipments VHP decontamination cycle is preferred in pharmaceutical industry? Isolators, aseptic filling lines, bioreactors, filling machines, lyophilizer, that is freeze dryers, are the examples of equipments where VHP decontamination cycle is preferred. What is use of hydrogen peroxide sensor inside isolator? Hydrogen peroxide sensors are used to measure level of available H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, inside the isolator. Commonly, high range and low range sensors are used in isolators. High range sensors are used to measure saturated hydrogen peroxide concentration, that is during VHP decontamination cycle, whereas low range sensors are commonly used to measure hydrogen peroxide concentration after end of VHP decontamination cycle, that is removal of hydrogen peroxide from the isolator air. How is VHP decontamination cycle validated in pharmaceutical manufacturing? Validation involves rigorous testing to demonstrate that the VHP decontamination cycle consistently achieves the desired level of microbial reduction. This includes determining the appropriate cycle parameters, conducting biological indicator studies, and assessing the effectiveness of the process. What is acceptable limit of hydrogen peroxide after VHP decontamination cycle and prior to start of next operation? Usually 1 ppm concentration or less than that is considered as safe to operations inside the isolator, and at this concentration isolators are claimed as safe. This limit of 1 ppm was given by the OSHA guideline. How we can ensure efficiency of VHP decontamination cycle using biological indicators? For this purpose, following 4 steps can be used. Step 1. Biological indicators shall be placed at each identified critical and challenging location. Step 2. Aseptic connections to be done and make machine set for filling operation. Step 3. Run the VHP decontamination cycle with biological indicators. Step 4. After VHP cycle end, remove biological indicators and incubate them into media and observe for growth. Brief about biological indicators used for ensuring VHP decontamination. Geobacillus stereothermophilus microorganism spores are the most commonly used biological indicators in US, Europe and other countries. Paper, stainless steel, plastic and glass are commonly used carrier for biological indicators. What are the critical parameters to monitor during a VHP decontamination cycle? Critical parameters include hydrogen peroxide concentration, humidity, temperature, exposure time, and airflow velocity. Monitoring and controlling these factors ensure the efficacy and reproducibility of the decontamination process. How is the VHP concentration measured and controlled during a decontamination cycle? VHP concentration is typically measured using chemical indicators or analytical instruments capable of detecting hydrogen peroxide levels. Control systems regulate the injection of hydrogen peroxide into the vaporization unit to maintain the desired concentration throughout the cycle. Last and important question, which guidelines are commonly referred for VHP decontamination cycle in the pharmaceutical industry? Following is the list of guidelines that are commonly referred for VHP decontamination cycle. It includes FDA's guidance for industry, EMA Annex 1, ISO 14644, ISP Good Practice Guide and ASTM E2614. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe to channel for more videos related to our pharmaceutical industry.